Yay, you made it to step 5. So that means you have finished your web map of brainstorming of something that you are good at. You have provided 4 key details and information that goes along with those 4 key details about something that you're good at. So now, step 5. This is just for fun, so you don't have to do this, but I would really like you to do this. So how you're going to share it is, one, you can read to a family member, a pet, stuffed animal, or record yourself if you would like, and then you can upload a video on here. Just like how I am doing, so I can walk you through some of these slides. So, reading to a family member. So, this could be your dad, mom, sister, baby brother, grandma, grandpa, aunts, uncles, cousins. It could be anybody that you want in your family that you want to read to. A pet. You can read to any type of pet. Right behind me, I have a lizard. So if I was doing this, I would read my 4 key details in something that I'm good at to my lizard. If you have a dog, a cat, a bird, you can read to them. If you don't have a pet, then you can read to a stuffed animal. And then the last one, this is just for fun. You do not have to record yourself, but you can choose one of these 4 options to kind of share your thoughts and just share out. So good job, and I'm so excited to read these later. So keep up the good work. And then on the last step, you're going to have to share the video with me. So make sure you go to slide 7 and check how to share the video with me. Awesome job. Great work today. Talk to you later.